Welcome back. Today I'm going to turn a couple of Easter eggs. Okay, first coat of lacquer's on this side. I'll wait a little while, flip them, hit them, and repeat this process until I'm happy with the finish. There you go. 2 Easter eggs. I don't typically do Easter themed projects, even though it looks like I did one last year because I did a egg-shaped Banksia box, but that was a coincidence, honest. This time I did it on purpose, just because it seemed the thing to do, given the circumstances. Given the circumstances. Given the current circumstances. So, this one was some leftover resin see, I'm doing it again. This was leftover resin from my acorn box, and this was 3 different pours of, this was also leftover resin, liquid diamonds. 3 different pours. The bottom one was a green. The next layer was a little bit of red, and the next layer was blue. It's not the prettiest egg in the world, and I didn't quite get the top eggy enough, but I think they'll do. After all, I'm simply gonna leave them in this little bowl full of green polyester resin shavings that I've had for about 15 years, and set them on the dining room table. So, as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I really do. As always, check out my sponsors, arneilmedia.com, for all your website needs. Axe Abrasive Paste, and use the code Billy10 for your 10% discount. And you can always support the Messy Studio if you desire. It's not a necessity. By clicking on my Amazon affiliate link, anything you order there, I get a few pennies of. Doesn't cost you anymore. You can go to my website where you can buy swag, caps, t-shirts, mugs, and some of the things that I've turned. And I really appreciate it. That really helps us out. What helps us out also, please like and share. Share this. Just share. And anything that I do that you really like, just share. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so if you're so inclined. Always something different going on here in the Messy Studio. Never know what we're going to be doing. I don't even know what we're going to be doing from day to day or time to time. So come back and join the insanity. Y'all continue to stay safe. We will get through this. God bless. Y'all come back.